This might not be the most exciting topic, but often in engineering, the boring details are the ones that we should pay attention to. This is just a short video on the different types of nozzle holder we supply and how selecting the right ones might help with maintenance, installation, and overall application performance. So our spray nozzles are used in a wide variety of applications. Attaching the spray nozzle to the correct point on the fluid supply system requires the use of a nozzle holder of some type. Now there are several types of holder available. We explore the main types, list the advantages and limitations of each. So let's look at first the most basic one, the directly threaded to pipe connection. Now for thick wall pipes, it's sometimes possible to directly tap a female thread into the pipe wall itself. A male threaded nozzle can then be directly threaded into the pipe. Now obviously this means the nozzle cannot be adjusted or removed easily, and it relies on having a thick enough pipework to maintain a suitable thread. It's only recommended for low pressure systems when a leak or dripping will not cause a serious issue. So now let's look at the welded threaded boss. Now, when a nozzle is required to be in a completely non-adjustable position, then a welded boss onto the existing pipework will provide a point to thread the nozzles into. Now, most nozzles use tapered threads and so are not designed to be removed regularly, but can nonetheless be removed if necessary. Whilst this nozzle holder type offers little flexibility, it offers unparalleled pressure ratings, potentially up to several hundred bar, and it has very little chance of leaking or dripping as there's sufficient thread turns to give a fully sealed connection even at high pressures. Now let's look at push-fit tees. A threaded push-fit connector can come in plastic or metal. The two pipe sides of the tee will push directly onto the pipework and present a thread perpendicular to the pipework. The orientation of the nozzle can potentially be adjusted by 360 degrees, but only in one direction. They also give great flexibility in where the nozzle can be positioned along the pipe length, as the pipe between the nozzles can just be cut to any length. Push-fit tees can be used in flexible or rigid pipes of various diameters. The flexible pipes or hose, they can handle up to about 6 bar of fluid pressure. Most standard push-fit connectors for rigid pipes and plastic will work up to about 10 bar, and metal push-fit connectors are commonly available for uses in systems up to about 20 bar. There are some specialist high pressure push-fit T connectors are also available for systems of 100 bar fluid pressure or more. So the next type of holder we consider is the clamp holder. Now with these nozzles, a clamp or eyelet is placed around the supply pipe and a spigot inserts into the pipe via a pre-drilled hole, and an O-ring is used then to form a seal. The clamp is then tightened to fix it in place. The nozzle is then threaded into the clamp holder. Now, this type of assembly removes the need to thread into the pipework or weld on a threaded boss onto the pipe. In effect, they turn a drilled hole into a threaded connection for the nozzle. When lots of nozzles are needed to be attached to lengths of pipework at different orientations, this can greatly reduce the installation cost, as all that needs to be done is to drill the appropriate sized hole into the correct position on the pipe. Now for maintenance and cleaning, the clamp assembly can be removed. Often this can be done without tools, so the removal of the nozzles becomes a lot easier and quicker. Clamp holders are available for use on plastic and metal rigid pipework, and some semi-flexible types of plastic pipework as well. They operate up to about 10 bar pressure depending on the model and the clamp type. So now let's look at swivel joint holders. Now swivel joint holders are either threaded directly into a thread point on the pipework or form part of a clamp holder assembly. So they're not a different type of nozzle holder per se, but they're worth mentioning as they offer a great deal of versatility. The nozzle will typically be threaded into a metal or plastic ball socket that allows the nozzle orientation to be adjusted by 360 degrees. And this can be important for flat fan nozzles. That's in one direction. Then in the other two directions, the nozzle can be adjusted by 45 degrees in 2 dimensions. Once the nozzle is orientated and aligned, it can be fixed in place by tightening a retaining clamp. This allows for the nozzles to be easily adjusted and to ensure spraying systems remain exactly on target. Now let's look at dovetail holders. When exact orientation is important and when it is anticipated that nozzles will need to be replaced or removed often, then dovetail nozzle holders might prove a good option. Typically the base unit of the holder will be threaded into the pipework or welded onto the pipework itself. When the nozzle is inserted, it will then lock into this base unit. The base unit will always remain in place and just the dovetail nozzle is removed for maintenance. So conclusions. There are many ways to attach spray nozzles to fluid delivery pipework. Whilst this might not be the most fascinating of topics, some knowledge of the different methods can have a significant impact on the design of the spray system. A little knowledge can help save time and money in the future.